Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Google Maps not opening, so let's get right into it. Now, if your Google Maps is not opening on the web version, then it is most likely a simple fix. It might be either your internet connection or it might be a corrupted cache of your internet browser. If you're using a standalone version of Maps or Google Earth, then that might have something to do with the app and you should just reinstall it. However, if it is the internet connection that is bothering you, you should do a speed test online on Google to check if it is running correctly, and if it's not, of course, you will be able to troubleshoot it yourself. If you are having a worse connection than usual, make sure that you one, restart your router to make sure it's not a local issue, troubleshoot your network on your computer or on your device, and then you can try and contacting your ISP to make sure that they are not the root cause of the connection going down. And once you've fixed everything regarding the network, then you can actually clear the cache. You can just go to your browser and clear the cache of well, your entire browser pretty much, which is done in differing locations based on the browser and based on the operating system. So look into that yourself. But if it's not opening on the mobile, then pretty much what you need to do is clear the cache in the storage settings of your app, either that or reinstall the app completely. Make sure everything is up to date. Make sure you update the app if there is an update queued on your app store of choice. You can also downgrade it if a newer patch broke it, then maybe downgrading it might fix it as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Just deleting your cache, making sure everything is up to date, should make everything go smoothly. And yeah, if you don't have access to it, then most likely your device is out of date and you're going to need to get a new device or upgrade the operating system of your device. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.